So it's a true pleasure to be here today as we break ground on the next chapter of Modula journey in Franklin, Ohio.
Having an international headquarters in the city of Franklin isn't just beneficial to the city, it's beneficial to the entire region.
In the short time that Modula has called our region home, they've been generous partners and often collaborate with our team. A 170,000 square foot addition to the existing 242,000 square foot building will enable Modula to double its production capacity and consolidate its off-site warehouse and distribution operations.
Modula is truly setting the pace for how the world sees the warehouse of the future.
So thank you for being part of this exciting milestone with us. We look forward to the incredible things we will accomplish right here in Franklin, Ohio.